It is given that r is equal to a sin theta plus b cos theta. This can be written as r is equal to a sin theta can be written as y by r plus b multiplied by cos theta can be written as x by r. This gives us r square is equal to ay plus bx. Now r square can be written as x square plus y square equal to ay plus bx. Now this can be written as x square minus bx plus y square minus ay is equal to 0. Now we can write this as x square minus bx plus b square by 4 plus y square minus ay plus a square